guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this eye color chart filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, go to your effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on this search button and here search for eye color chart. Okay, the first one, this is the effect, tap on it. Okay, here you can see your eye color. You can match. I think mine is T40 or T50. Okay, so this is the effect, guys. Suppose you can't find the filter like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for eye color chart filter. Okay, scroll down. Okay, you will see some videos with this filter. Just tap on this one. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, likewise. Okay, suppose you can't find the filter like this also, then what you can do, you go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.